Okay, so we're going to make chicken broccoli today with cashew nuts. It's really simple. I mean, once you make this, there's no need to ever order from a Chinese restaurant again. I truly mean that. This is absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So in the center, I've got some broccoli. I've got like 3 cups of broccoli there. The chicken is chicken breast, no skin, no bone. That's 1 decent size chicken breast. To the left, there's 1 cup of onion. Few sesame seeds, we're going to put them on at the end. Some green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them, couple of tablespoons. Same with cashew, maybe 3 tablespoons actually there. They're a raw, uncooked one. You can use salted ones if you want, but I'm using these ones today. A tablespoon of ginger, fresh ginger, and a tablespoon of fresh garlic. And then in the front here, we've got 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, tomato ketchup, and soy. The soy that I'm using is dark. You can use a light one if you want. Let's get moving. So you're going to need a wok, skillet or pan or something. You can see I'm using this type of wok. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. You could use sesame oil maybe if you wanted. The heat is on high. We're going to get this nice and hot. It's pretty hot all the way, in fact. We're going to start off with a tablespoon of ginger and garlic. In that goes. 1 cup of onion, and the 1 chicken breast, no skin, no bone, and I've cut that nice and thin. To that I'm going to add some black pepper. We're not going to be adding any salt to this because the oyster sauce and the soy for me is definitely salty enough. High heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. So the chicken's nowhere near cooked yet, but we've just got a little colour on it. It's gone white, as you can see. We're now going to add the cashew. Like I said earlier, these are a raw cashew. You can use a salted one or a roasted one if you want. Now the broccoli. So in that goes. Now I've gone quite heavy on broccoli. I like that in there, the mixture. And you can see the size that I've cut it at and got some nice stalk in there. Some people cut that stalk right off. I like the stalk. Loads of flavour in it and goodness. Another 3 minutes, high heat. Keep it moving once again. Now I like a nice crunch on my broccoli. Some of you may not want that, so you might want to cook it just a little bit more. We're now going to add a little bit of water. Oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons. Soy, using a dark one, 2 tablespoons. Tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons. The ketchup's going to add a nice sweetness to it. Stay on the high heat. Go for another 3 or 4 more minutes. Keep it moving. We've done it. And that's looking beautiful. Nice high heat. It's evaporated out a little bit. You know, we put that little bit of water in there. Now I put that water in to really steam the broccoli. But that's fantastic. Off the heat goes. I'm going to get that on the plate. Now if you want to check that for salt, for me, fantastic. Okay, plated and ready to go. Absolutely wonderful. Just so easy. Green onions, scallions, spring onions, whatever you call them. I'm just going to pop some of those on the top for taste and beauty. And then some toasted sesame seeds. Wow, 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 wee wah. That's delicious. Just with some steamed white rice. I think that's lovely. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.